So question 4 says that write the following in set builder form. Now here the set is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Now by saying this you can understand that all these numbers are multiples of 3, right? You can find this in 3 tables. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. So you can easily write it as x such that x is a multiple of 3 and close braces. Okay. The next one is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now you can see that 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 to 2 is 32. So what does it mean? See, you can say that 1 2s are 2, then 2 2s are 4, this gives this one, then again 2, 4 2s are 8, then again multiply it by 2, 8 2s are 16, then again multiply it by 2, 16 to 2 is 32. So what does it mean? So 2 to the power of 1 will give you 2, 2 to the power of 2 will give you 4, 2 to the power of 3 will give you 8, 2 to the power of 4 will give you 16 and 2 to the power of 5 will give you 32. Right? So then it means that open braces x such that x is equal to any of these. X is equal to 2 to the power of n because the base is the same for all but the powers are different. So you have to give the power, the value n, and then you can write the base as 2 so that it is 2 to the power of n. So you have to also mention what n is. N is lesser than or equal to 1. You are including the first exponent. So you can write it as lesser than or equal to n. You can write as 1 is lesser than or equal to n, and then your last number, your last exponent is 5. So you can write it as 5. So since you are including your last exponent, you can write it as lesser than or equal to 5. Okay, then close the braces. The next one, 5, 25, 125 and 625. This is same as this. You can say 5 1s are 5. Okay, and then 5 5s are 25, which means 5 to the power of 2 will give you 25. Then 25 into 5 will give you 125. So 5 to the power of 3. Then again 5. 125 into 5 will give you 625. So it is 5 to the power of 4. So it is same as this. So how will you write? Open braces x such that x is equal to what? 5, because the base is same. So 5 to the power of n. Exponents are different. So you are giving the exponent the name n. Then you have to mention what n is. N is what? You are going to write 1 on the left hand side. So you can write it as lesser than or equal to. Then you have to write this last exponent 4 here. You can write it as lesser than or equal to. And then close the brace. Okay. And any of these are referred to as n. This will be lesser than or equal to 4. And same way, n is greater than or equal to 1. The next one, 2, 4, 6. What are these? This is even easier. You can write it as x is that x is a multiple of 2 or x is a even natural number, anything. Okay, any of these two you can write. So let's write it as x is an even natural number. You have to mention the whole word. I have just written it in short form. The next one is 1, 4, 9 and 100. So by seeing this itself you can make out that these are squares, right? 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 10 10s are 100. So how can you write this? You can write it as x such that x is equal to what? When the powers are different, you wrote it as 2 to the power of n. So it is going to be like this, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, then 10 into 10. So what will you write? This is 1 to the power of 2. This is 2 to the power of 2. We have 2 times 2. So this is 3 to the power of 2. This is 10 to the power of 2. So what does it mean? Your base is different but the squares are same. So exponents are same. So you are going to write it as x as that x is equal to n square. The base is different, so you are referring base as n, and then you have to mention what n is. If you are writing n here, then on your left hand side you will have this number. So what does it mean? When you are including your first number here, then it will be given this sign, less than or equal to 1, and then you are including your last number here, so you will be giving it less than or equal to 10. Then close it. Right.